Hello everyone, welcome to my daily vlog. My name is Ihan Carl Sibanawa from BSed English 3rd year. So what we're going to do on this mini vlog, I will going to provide an example of materials that correspond to each of SLA or what we call second language acquisition principle. And I will going to demonstrate the development process of these materials and explaining how they align with a specific SLA principle or second language acquisition principle. So let's start. So the materials that we were going to use is a personal journals that correspond to the second language acquisition of the children or the student. So why it is aligned to a second language or correspond to our second language acquisition? Because a learner can regularly write a personal reflection and a journal about their feelings, memories, option, or their responses to prompts without worrying about their grammar mistakes or being graded. So, I will going to demonstrate also the developmental process of personal response journals. So, let's dive into step 1. So, in the step 1, we're going to define the objectives. So, why we are going to define the objective. First is to build learners' confidence and fluency and emotional engagement through low pressure and meaningful writing practice. So, let's go in step 2. So, in step 2, we're going to design prompts and we're going to create open-ended, emotionally engagement prompts that invite personal sharing rather. So, for example, we're going to describe someone who has influenced our life. So, in step 3, we will going to set up a journal routine. So, I will give a student a specific amount of time. The specific amount of time ratio is about 10 to 15 minutes per entry. And in step 4, I will give instruction rather to the learners. And they will going to emphasize grammar and spelling will not be corrected. And because this is a safe place for self-expression, I will going to focus on the content and encouragement, not on the mistake of the student. So, in step 5, the teacher will give feedback and practice. While in the step 6, the learners will share their activities randomly. And in the step 7, the student will reflect and adapt, and they will ask, or I will ask rather a student periodically how they feel about their journal. So, the personal journal response is aligned to our second language acquisition or SLA by helping learners express themselves freely and without making any fear of mistake, and it lowers the anxiety, builds and also build confidence and increase the motivation, aligning with the Krashen affective filters hypothesis. By writing regularly, students also practice producing language and which support one's output hypothesis. since topic are personal and meaningful. So learners stay engaged by making it easier and remember and also use the the language meaningfully. So that's all. So goodbye and thank you and see you on my next upload. Bang!